Unlock the secret to stunningly sharp photos with your Nikon D3500 by mastering its powerful focusing system. First, let's get familiar with the AF/MF switch on the front of your Nikon D3500. Set it to AF for autofocus and MF for manual focus. For most situations, autofocus will be your best friend. Navigate to your mode dial for stationary subjects, like portraits or landscapes. Select A for aperture priority or P for program mode. Inside the menu, you'll find autofocus modes. Choose AFS or single AF. This mode locks focus once when you half-press the shutter button. Perfect for when your subject isn't moving. Hold down the shutter button halfway, and you'll see a green focus indicator appear in the viewfinder or on the screen. Your camera has now locked focus on that point. If you're shooting action, like a sports event or a playful pet, switch your autofocus mode to AFC. Continuous AF. This mode continuously adjusts focus as long as you keep the shutter button half-pressed, tracking your moving subject. Now, let's talk about selecting your focus point. Simply press the zoom out button, the one with the two squares, until the focus area display appears. You can then use the directional buttons to move the active focus point to precisely where you want to focus. Position that green focus rectangle over your desired subject, perhaps the eyes in a portrait or the key detail in a product shot, and half-press the shutter to lock it in. For ultimate control, or when the autofocus struggles, switch to manual focus by setting the AF/MF switch to MF. Rotate the focus ring on your lens until your subject appears sharp in the viewfinder or on the LCD. The D3500 conveniently provides a focus indicator to confirm sharpness. Mastering these focusing techniques will dramatically improve the clarity and impact of your photos, ensuring every shot is tack sharp and visually stunning.